Hey guys, I'm showing you this Tekfun 2-pack LCD writing tablet with stylus. 8.5 inches, erasable doodle board, mess-free drawing pad for kids. You can take it to any card trips or educational toy for any gift to the kids. You can see like it comes in 2-pack, 2 lanyard. So this is the battery that comes with it, and you can replace on and off button that you need to do before using it, and press the button to clean up the screen, and then you can write. It's very crisp and fine writing, smooth. And then you can press to erase it, so you can reuse it. It's like a doodle. You can make notes, you can do drawing, or the kids can play. You can use this lanyard so that it will not be go there. This is the stylus that comes with it that you can store within this. So here is the block, you just put in here, and this is the back part. You just put, so you can also use the lanyard for the pencil or anywhere you want. So this is a basically very nice design, and the same thing with the other one. You can just put in the stylus here, so you can write anything. This is like a tool, anti-delete lock, and then also like it comes with some accessories where there is a writing and drawing book for kids. So it's really fun for them. The manual is straightforward, and then this is pretty easy to use and good to use.